In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change invite code in Worldcoin app. So in order to change your invite code, you first need to head over and make sure that you have or you can actually redeem an invite. Technically, someone already sent you an invite link that you have already used to download World app. So if you have it, open your friend's invite link and tap on the accept invite option that should be able to appear on that. Now, copy the invite code and then download the World app to continue. So technically, a invite code can be a 7 or 8 alphanumeric code that you can copy in order to get the application. To redeem the invite, head over right here into your World ID, and from in there, click on this settings or gear icon. Once you're in there, you should be able to find the option for redeem invite. Enter right here invite code and click on confirm in order to add it right here. If you wish to change it, unfortunately, there is no way to change it because once you have redeemed the code, it's already considered valid. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.